The hardest part about investing is choosing the right stocks and knowing which ones will be a winner. But one thing that's just as important is knowing which stocks to stay completely away from. So in this video, I'll be telling you which types of stocks that I'll be avoiding this year. So let's get into it. Number 1, I'll be completely avoiding all health-related stocks. I'm talking about Pfizer, I'm talking Merck, I'm talking Moderna, I'm talking AbbVie. If it's anything in the health sector, I'll be staying far away from it. Why is that? Because if you know anything about the current administration that's in office right now, RFK Jr., which is the United States Secretary of Health, he wants people to be healthier, and he's checking on all the vaccines, checking all the medications. He's checking pretty much everything that we consume. By the way, I hate to bring politics into this, but let's be real. Knowing what's going on in the government will give you an edge, because the average person does not care about what the government does, but I do. That's why I get the returns that I get. So it is very important to pay attention. But let's continue. What this current administration is doing has the potential to slow down profits within the health sector. I think it's an overall good thing for the people, but by doing that, these health stocks can take a major hit. And if you look at their stock price, most of them have already been taking a big hit. Number 2, the second type of stocks that I'll be completely avoiding this year is all stocks that are solely in the renewable energy sector. I'm talking about Next Era Energy, I'm talking Enphase, I'm talking First Solar, I'm talking Vesta Wind Systems. If it's anywhere in the renewable energy sector, I'll be completely avoiding it. By the way, I'm not saying that these businesses are bad. A lot of these businesses are great, but I'm in the business of making money and increasing the odds of choosing the right companies to invest in. I'm already taking a massive risk by buying individual stocks. Why would I make it harder for myself? These companies are all great, but the president does not believe in renewable energy. He's reduced billions in federal funding across America within the sector. He signed dozens and dozens of executive orders to end all subsidies for wind and solar. He's completely shifted policies on wind energy, which is the complete opposite of the last administration. The president is putting more focus on fossil fuels like oil, coal, natural gas. So again, if it's in the renewable energy sector, just to make things clear, renewable energy sector, I'll be staying completely away from. Number 3, I hate to say it, but retail. I love Costco, I love Target, but the last type of stocks that I'll be staying far away from is retail. Listen, these tariffs that are going back and forth is annoying to me because I have to report on this stuff. But imagine how it feels to be a CEO on one of these major companies. 1 minute tariffs are at 25%, next minute they're at 50, then they're at 100, then it goes up and it goes down. And I get it, it's all part of the negotiations, but these tariffs can't be good for retail businesses. Whether it's by these businesses reducing their profit margins directly, or whether these companies are pushing it into the consumers by raising their prices, it will still have an effect on their profit margins, because some people will just stop buying from them completely if it gets too expensive. And mom and pop stores will be getting more attention. So lastly, if it's in the retail sector, I'll be taking my chances elsewhere. Now I have a bonus for you. This one has nothing to do with the current administration, but if it's a penny stock, sorry, but I won't be investing into it. Have you ever had a friend or colleague walk up to you and say, "Psst, I gotta tell you something about the stock. It's less than $1 a share and has the potential to reach $20 a share. Dude, we be so rich." Does that sound familiar? Are you that friend? Well, I hate to break it to you, but that's called gambling. You're better off going to Las Vegas and putting it all on a red. Yes, of course it has the potential to give major profits, but any stock does. I'm all about increasing the probabilities of that happening, and penny stocks are just not the way. Focus on companies that are profitable and consistent. Focus on companies that aren't in debt. Focus on companies that have a lot of cash on hand so they can keep on investing into the business. Look at their CEOs and board members. Look into what their future goals are for the business. But with that said, I'll be staying completely away from penny stocks. That's all for now, but I'll be making a video about stocks that I will be buying this year. So subscribe to the channel, and I appreciate the support. See you on the next video.